Today we're going to be installing the J&L oil separator for your Hellcat, whether it be a Hellcat Charger, Challenger, Trackhawk, Durango, or Demon. Tools needed are going to be one Phillips head screwdriver and two 15mm wrenches. First thing we need to do is remove this factory PCV line. You can lift up on the coil cover here slightly. Reach around on here. There's a tab on both sides. The one on the supercharger is easiest to get first. Push in this white tab, pull it out, rotate it around. You can feel the tab on the other side. Pull and lift up. Next thing we want to do is take one of the supplied 15mm flange nuts and install that backwards onto the stud. Now we're going to install the bracket onto the can using the supplied Phillips head screws. Line the logo up. Use the screws into the threaded holes in the top of the separator. Okay, now bring the assembly over to the vehicle. The side that's going to be on the O side, or the oil side of the logo, has the 45-degree fitting on it. There's two O-rings inside there. Line that up to the fitting on the bottom of the supercharger, nice and straight. It doesn't hurt to put a little oil on that just to get it to slide. And as that goes in, you'll hear it click. Like that. The other hose is going to go behind, come down on the stud, put this one on the valve cover fitting. Hear that click. Put the bracket on the stud. And now here's why we have the double nuts. We want to make sure that when this is seated all the way up against that first nut, that it's not pressing hard against this throttle body actuator. So we can adjust that now. I can come out a little bit and then put the other nut on and tighten it down. In order to remove, simply push on these tabs and pull up. Don't forget to pop your coil cover back down and you're all set.